Updated and clean. This trendy stylish home has a beautiful kitchen with quartz, subway tiled backsplash, pendant lights and breakfast bar, updated bathrooms, terrazzo flooring, 3 good-sized bedrooms, great screened-in patio with spiral staircase down to yard, big deck and fenced-in yard. The backyard is nature at its finest. You can't help but relax and enjoy. Close to the 528, easy access to Orlando, NASA, etc., close to the river, restaurants and shopping.